GAiLs Montessori and School. Dear students, please ensure that you have watched and understood video about poetic devices, available on this channel, before proceeding ahead. Now we will learn steps, how to effectively write multiple stanzas of poems. This may be required in your board exam paper. How to write a poem with multiple stanzas. A stanza is like a small paragraph in a poem, and it usually has a few lines. Each stanza should connect to the main idea but also bring something new. Follow these steps to create a beautiful and meaningful poem. Step 1. Choose a theme. First, decide what your poem will be about. It could be about love, nature, friendship, dreams, childhood, or any topic that inspires you. This will help you focus on what you want to say. Examples. 1. The Beauty of Nature, a poem describing the wonders of nature, like rivers, mountains, and birds. 2. The Journey of a Dream, a poem about chasing dreams and overcoming challenges. Step 2. Consider the structure. Decide how you want your poem to look. Do you want it to rhyme or be free verse, without rhyme? Rhymed poems sound musical. Free verse poems sound more natural, like talking. Examples. 1. Rhymed poem, the sun shines bright in golden hue, the sky is painted deep and blue. 2. Free verse poem, the waves crash against the rocks, their whispers lost in the wind, a never-ending song of the sea. No rhyme, natural flow. Step 3. Establish a tone. Think about how you want your poem to feel. Should it be happy, peaceful, sad, exciting, or nostalgic? The tone helps readers understand your emotions. Examples. 1. Joyful tone, the flowers bloom, the bees hum, spring has come. 2. Sad tone, raindrops fall like silent tears, washing away forgotten years. Step 4. Use descriptive language. Use strong, clear words that help readers see, hear, and feel what you are describing. This makes the poem more interesting. Examples. 1. Weak sentence, the sky looked pretty. Better sentence, the evening sky glowed like a canvas painted in shades of orange and pink. 2. Weak sentence, the river was nice. Better sentence, the silver river danced and sparkled under the golden sun. Step 5. Pay attention to rhythm and meter. Rhythm is how words flow in a poem. Some poems follow a beat, like a song, while others are more relaxed. Examples. 1. Regular rhythm, the sun goes down, the stars arise, the moonlight glows in silver skies. Even syllables, steady beat. 2. Irregular rhythm, free flowing, the wind moves through the trees, whispering secrets to the leaves. Natural speech like rhythm. Step 6. Use poetic devices. Make your poem more fun by adding similes. The sun is like a golden coin. Metaphors. The river is a silver ribbon winding through the hills. Personification. The flowers dance in the wind. Alliteration. Soft snow silently settles on the ground. Examples. 1. Simile. Her smile was as bright as the morning sun. 2. Personification, the waves whispered secrets to the shore. Step 7. Ensure smooth transitions between stanzas. Each stanza should connect to the next, like one part of a story leading to another. Examples. 1. Smooth transition, stanza 1. The river flows, a silver stream. Stanza 2. The fish swim, dancing in the dream. Both stanzas connect through the river theme. 2. Rough transition, stanza 1. The trees are tall and green. Stanza 2. I love eating ice cream. The topics don't connect. Step 8. Develop a conclusion. The last stanza should end your poem well. It can leave a message, question, or strong feeling. Examples: 1. Powerful ending. And so the sun fades from the sky, but its warmth will never die. 2. Question ending. Will the stars still shine when morning comes? Step 9. Revise and edit. After writing, check, does it make sense? Do the words sound good together? Are there any mistakes? Examples: 1. Before editing, the river is nice and clear. I like to sit by it. 2. After editing, the crystal river flows so free, a perfect place for dreams and me. Final tips for students. Choose a topic that you love. Decide the structure, rhymed or free verse. Use poetic devices to make it fun. Check for smooth flow between stanzas. Edit and improve before finalizing.